Y'all can come closer. I'm unsure how many we have, but I don't want to. I was going to say, I also thought there were more, but it's okay. Y'all just get close up. Smile up. Anybody else? Good no? No more powers? Any more? Can you come in either the center or this left one, if you don't mind? Yes. Sorry, the far right. Just come in closer. I just want to make sure you're in here in the moment. Smile, do whatever power does. I don't know. Yeah. You don't know how the real world works, I guess. Ready? Maybe. Yeah. Y'all are fantastic. You manipulate blood. Woohoo! Yeah, go team. Yep. Change the poses up. All right. I'm just gonna keep taking photos until y'all get tired of it. I'm so sorry. All right, and one more. Great.
Nice.
Woohoo!
Next up is Makima.
Woo! Woo! Yeah! Makima! Makima's listening. I do. Come on in. Again, this is my center. You guys don't have to come so high. I mean, you can all just stand there and brood. Whatever you guys want to do. It's not so there's an even number of railings. It bothers me. Oh, I mean, you know, that's... All right, is that everybody? I don't want to miss anybody. We good? Okay, picture time starting now.
That's right, isn't it?
That's right. That's right. Everybody bark. Man, I really wish we did this in the daytime, huh? No kidding. It fucking sucks. All right. You're all brooding. You're controlling. Oh my god, you're listening. Oh my god, it's so scary. All right.
I didn't even get word to keep straight face.
I know. I'm terrible. I'm so sorry. Just having me.
Killing that shit, babe. Yeah.
All right. Woo! Makimas. All right. Who's next?
Next is gonna be Bob and Reze.
Bob and Reze. Woo! You're gonna blow up and act like you don't know nobody. Oh, you all went. All right. Oh, you're all splitting. What? Y'all gotta be friends.
If you're as Reze, come in the middle, and if you have a bomb outfit, be on the other side.
I love it. Whatever he said. Can we have it shift so it's 1 and 2 with the best lit stairs that we have? So if you are in this lane, can you just shift over 1, and then if you're here, can you shift over as well? We split evenly between these 2 stairs. However y'all want to do that. Wait, did I say that wrong? Did I say that wrong?
No. If you're on this set of stairs, come over 1. And if you're leaning on this side, lean over on this side.
Yeah. I'm just trying to get y'all in the light. Just shift over 1 railing. If you need to come down and up.
I got you.
Just use these 2. I mean, these have the underlighting, so I'm just trying to get whatever's best with the flash. Yeah, can we only use these 2 lit? You guys see the lit stairways? Can we be in between them? So like if you're on the outside, can you come in? It's going to be awkward and annoying, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Let's get lit.
Might not be able to see well, through the helmet.
Yep. Beauty's pen.
There you go.
Alright, everybody pose. Boom!
Killing it. Slay.
Yeah! Woo! And 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. Thank you so much. All right, who's next?
Aki!
Aki!
Okay, I know for a fact there was more than one Aki.
There's at least one. There's at least one.
I saw at least 3 of them, so.
We're using these two, these two.
There we go. Alright, come on, guys.
Aki, Aki, Aki!
Oi, oi, oi.
Gross. Everybody's so sad. Everybody brewed really hard,
So
really
rude.
melancholy. Is this all we have? Any more Akis? Okay. You're all so sad. Your future's terrible. You just want revenge.
More fun.
Yeah, come on. Your story's so menacing.
He's so much cooler.
Ah,
Yeah, that gun devil was a jerk.
damn. You guys got a really cool album cover if you ever decide to make music.
Oh, not exactly. That's actually not much. Yeah, huge improvement.
All right, 3, 2, 1. You all died. All right, great. Who's next?
Jimeno.
Jimeno!
Just one Jimeno?
In no particular order. There's at least one, hopefully. Two. Yeah! Why is it doing this? All right, in 3, 2, 1. Great. Oh, that's hilarious. It won't take the camera. It's too dark.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll take Rux's.
Oh, without the flash.
Oh,
It won't take it with the flash. The flash literally, it says it's not going to do anything. Good luck.
Does anybody have their notebooks?
Let's try that.
You all have plastic notebooks?
Do the next one.
You've got the rest of the bed though.
Apparently. That's not true.
All right, let's go, Aiden.
That was amazing, guys.
Let's sit out. Oh yeah, I just have a random in the background. It is coming back. Yeah, it's coming back in a few. I'm in love with a lesbian. I was asking, dude,
3, 2, 1.
All right.
Angel level.
It's funny how the blanket has a longer face on
Are you taking more? Great, I picked 2. All right, thanks. So many wings. How do I do this? Stagger them? Can we have, we're gonna stagger you guys because wings are a lot. So can we have some people come from that far right lane into this at the bottom and then spread out?
That's a femboy. You're okay. I'm really bad at pointing. So you're gonna come down. You're gonna go behind her. Yep, right there. You come down. Let's see how that looks.
Y'all like that? You love it? You hate it? You want another one?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Carson. Oh yeah.
Oh, now this is fucking cool.
Laura Farm, baby. He's so hot and single. Oh my god.
Calm down, Denji's.
Come on now. Anybody want any ice cream later?
Someone take this guy to jail. I will.
All right, in 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! I know the subject is on camera. I don't care.
Shake your dress, Carson.
Who's next?
Do we have any war devils?
War Devils! Any War Devils? Team! Team! 2!
Let's go, April!
3!
Yes.
Yeah!
We can put him in the middle. We can put him in the middle. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah! Go April! There's only 3 of you, it's so easy. All right, in 3, 2, 1. Fantastic.
We're the best.
All right, who's next?
Pochita!
Pochita!
We got at least one for Cheetah.
There's at least one. Yeah!
There we go.
Yes! Fantastic! You win the most creative.
I can stand up too.
Suffer horrible death.
Woo! 3, 2, 1. Fantastic! Thank you so much.
All right, Beam.
Beam. Beam. None of them can see. It's okay. Is that it? Any more?
Not Overlord Chainsaw,
Any more? All right, fantastic.
Let me ride you.
Poor Lord Chainsaw Beam.
I'm a right back.
Whoa,
You were talking and I'm like, I'm a right back. He's like, oh yeah.
Rapid
You know Brandon is like, I'm a right back. Like, I don't think he's something else. He doesn't want to make a whole
3, 2, 1. Thank you. Oh.
Violence.
Violence!
Violence devil!
Get really angry. Alright, great. You get to aura farm for like 60 seconds. That's right. V for violence.
Yeah, that.
And I love you. That's right. It's your world. We're living in it. Whatever you want. All right, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Fantastic.
All right, am I missing anyone else for solo shots?
Anybody not get a photo for their character?
What about the random NPCs of public safety who usually tend to get massacred?
Come on up, come on up. Have little legs.
Wait, was there any Kobenis?
I wish. I've been looking.
Random public safety dude.
Hey, you know, his job's important too.
Wait, Roma, where are you going here?
Fucking octopus.
It's his first day. He just started.
It's his 5th day. He won't last much longer. He's in. All
I
right.
probably just last like maybe 2 or 3 episodes.
Oh my God, it's a death devil. Fantastic. A death devil.
Thank you so much.
Death devil. Is it just the one? Oh,
sure.
Death devil.
Family!
Oh, what? I don't know.
Right here?
Sure, wherever you like. It's literally your staircase.
She's pulling.
Spoilers! Don't look! Woo!
Yoshida! It might just be you.
Just the one. Somebody get a flashlight on this guy quick.
Oh my god, I'm game for holding aura.
We are indeed farming.
It's the only pose he does as far as I'm aware.
Well, you know, it's fine. Hey, you know, if you got something, let it ride.
Got a couple of them like that.
Alright, we're gonna move on to pairs and groups. So Denji and Makima. Alright.
I need. We're gonna have to probably break this into 2s. There are a lot of dingies. I'm aware. Well, okay.
You just throw Denji on one and Makima on the
Yeah, fuck it. Pick a staircase. We'll figure it out. I'm sure that won't have any problems.
Yeah, we'll just see what it looks like.
I'm sure that won't. Thank you.
I'm here for the people.
I'm assuming there's a lot of people here.
I need that Nico to face
Oh no! I guess we're gonna kick things off with a bang, aren't we? Most of y'all won't get that. I don't think most of y'all reach it.
No, it's fine. We'll figure it out.
I'm just gonna cry.
All right, if you have blades, I need you on the wings.
What?
The wings. So like
The sides.
You're a pyramid right now. If you have blades, I need you on the edges. That'd be fantastic. Huh? You'll find out. All right. Can I get everybody in this? Hold on, so just oh my god, I can. Holy shit. Can I get, hold on. Can I get the man on my, it's your right. The furthest right, can you come down here? Here, I'll do it myself.
I'm pretty blind. You're gonna come down and you're gonna go on this. Okay.
No, I can't see.
Oh, where was I standing? Right here. Great. All right. All right. You're all, there's no weird power dynamic here. You're all really happy and coexistent. It's all mutual. There's no issues. Anybody want to bark? No? All right. All right. 3, 2, 1. Great.
You want to have Denji stay and put bomb up?
Yeah, Dingy and my bombs and reses. Dingy, stay up. You guys picked the main character or something. That's really weird. You put yourself through so much pain. If you have a specific partner, you're welcome to pick them. Otherwise, pick a stair. Power and Dingy. Great. Great, great, great. Man, like a flashlight. A really powerful flashlight. All right, everybody in? Maybe? I'm sorry to take pictures. You're doing great. No explosions here. You know what? You might want to talk to security about that one before you continue, but that's your prerogative. Guys, I think I hear a clock. I wish my camera would take photos.
Hey, we're down here if you want to take pics.
Can I get flash pictures?
Everybody, put your cameras to that window.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. Can I get the Dingies and Powers? Dingies just pitch a 10 at this point. While they're there.
We do. We do have a gun devil now.
We do have a gun devil?
We have a gun devil.
Fantastic.
Wanted to let it be known.
Great. We'll get them.
Where? Oh, I see it.
We'll get them at the...
We'll do it after the Denji.
Correct. I need, like, the sun to be out. We gotta come in. We gotta get closer. Closer, you can go vertically, but I need you to be, like, somewhat... We'll see. Yeah, we'll see if this works. Can I get my flashlight?
Please do not clip a field for this house.
It just won't even...
So the last one.
Leave me alone. Oh, it just won't even. We'll do the 1 minute. I need.
We do it. We'll do it.
It'll be the slightly easier. What? My flash not coming on. My ISO has to be on. All right, we'll try that. Sorry, hey, one time. They just won't even. There we go. There it is. There's not going to be many. The cameras really won't take any photos. Oh my god, it's working. Oh my god, it's working. Woohoo! Fantastic. You guys are doing so great standing still. Thank you so much. Cameras and light, like, kind of need to be a thing. All right, 3, 2, 1. Woo! All right, what am I doing?
We're gonna do. We'll do gun double. Just gun double first.
Great.
Denji's, you're done. You're free for right now.
Yeah, you're good. Come on. Can I get the singular, the gun devil? I've been told they're here. Who's the gun devil? I've been told some things.
Yo, that's great.
getting past security must have been a nightmare. All right, sorry, my bad.
Where do I go?
Wherever you want.
Yeah, there you go.
It's your staircase?
It's my staircase.
That's right, it is your staircase. I really wish I could. Can you hold that off to the side more? Yeah, there you go. Damn, that's a. Damn. Yep, we're aura farming. We're still aura farming. No, so yeah, you're good. You're good. Yeah, aura farmers don't laugh. We're very serious.
So I would go Aki's join, gun devil, and then it would be Aki's endpoint.
Dude, spoilers.
She said no. Okay. That's what I feel like that's his.
We're doing it. Yeah, we're doing a semi-spoiler free. All right, you are just about done.
Mission.
Thank God there are other cameras here that will work better with the light. All right, fantastic. Thank you so much.
So not.
Woo! All right, what am I doing? Aki Himeno!
And then I'll do Aki and Himeno.
Aki Himeno! Cool. That's right. The two Himenos and the like the 6 Akis. Oh, there's. Guys, my hand's cramping. I don't know about y'all. All right, cool. Glad I'm not the only one. Guys, I'm not built for this. This is my mom's camera. You want a cigarette? That's okay. You can have one. Everybody gets cigarettes. It's okay. Everybody's a smoker now. It's all the craze. Oh no. Oh? Himeno, join the fray. Welcome back. You can sit in the middle. Might have to get a little bit for that.
Remember, kids, smoking isn't good for you, but makes you look cool as hell.
That's right.
Facts.
Oh, my flash pop up.
That's it. I guess I should drop this. Already fell. Already fell.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. Alcoholism and drinking's bad for you, folks. All right.
In excess.
Aki and Angel. Aki and Angel. Don't touch, it's bad for you, I've been told. Ashley, can you go in? I just go down enough.
Spread your wings! Carson, go to the first step and spread your wings. All the way out.
And they were boys. And they were kissing.
They were kissing.
Nothing bad ever happens to these two. They both live very happy lives. Maybe? No? Nobody? All right. Oh, okay. Oh, no, it's okay. I talk for myself, really. I don't talk for anybody else.
No Diddy. No Diddy.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm gonna take the last photo. Great. Woo! All right, what am I doing next? Fiends! All fiends! All fiends! Not the song.
We should do a public speak.
What's the next thing? Beans.
What's going on?
All right.
also, is it not also power and dingy?
Yeah, is it
Power and dingy.
Power and dingy.
yeah, Power and Dingy, y'all are also fiends. Dingy's not a fiend? Man. Well, Power, get up there. Dingy, don't get up there. Fuck, now we're getting, guys, you're confusing me. I'm just a camera guy.
Oh, the dingy's coming up or not?
No, Dingy, stay off.
We're doing 2 photos.
If anybody wants to send it.
Well, then the Reze should get in here.
Resumes on public safety. And that should be upgraded. Okay.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
You know what? We don't need that. We'll do a full group.
All right, full group. Fuck me, full group. All right. So, oh, I know. Everybody on that staircase. I'll figure out the dimensions in a second.
It's probably gonna be.
You know, that'd be smart.
Here, let's do this.
But,
All right, wait. Okay, here.
yep, you know,
Bigger props.
man.
Dingy, Bob, and Angel. You're gonna be on the outsides and higher. And then if you don't have big props, come to the middle.
Y'all, get the pictures now.
If you have big props, you are on the sides. If you have little props or no props, you're closer to the middle. Everybody on the staircase.
Yeehaw, motherfucker!
That was pretty good.
Never skip leg day.
Shit, never. Never do it. It's bad.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Great. Holy shit. All right.
Because I have this that I do.
You want me to be up front?
Sorry. Thanks.
There's a lot of people. All right. Friendship, be friends. We all love Chainsaw Man.
Let's go.
Yeah. Woo! All right. 1, 2, 3. Ah! 1, 2, 3. Fantastic.
Do a thumbs up. Do a thumbs up.
All right, now do a silly one. As if this anime isn't already silly enough.
Oh, Lindsay, there you go.
6 of them!
He's just like these real!
All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, fantastic.
She's gonna betray you, Andrew.
Remember, Captain.
We're
Pause it. I can't.